Hello everybody. Got my GNC Pro Box today, so I thought I'd do the unboxing video. Today's blade, the Leatherman Wingman. Shout out to White Pass and Yukon Railroad. Alright, let's see what we got. There's the card. Shows everything that's in there. Looks good. $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I'm not going to use it, so first person to use that code gets the 50 bucks. Ad for Tri-Sleep. All right, we have a 1 protein bar in peanut butter cup flavor. Nice. Ever notice how most protein bars are made with chocolate flavoring? You ever get tired of that? Well, we have the lean bar. White chocolate crunch. Oh well, it's worth a shot. Looks good. We have a pouch of CLA plus carnitine. We'll try that before the next workout, maybe. Here we have Beyond Raw Lit Raspberry Tea flavor. Just how many pre-workout drinks do you need? Ew. Gotten these before. Gave them to my son because I don't like coffee. He said they were disgusting. We have Energy and Metabolism. It's actually just a massive multivitamin. Let's move the box out of the way. A pouch of protein powder. Chocolate lava cake flavor. And Beyond Raw Macros Whole Foods based meal supplement. Maple and brown sugar what? It's another drink. 330 calories in one drink. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Let me know what you think in the comments. And have a good day.